has taken a style like Jet or Ignite by Jon Renau and just really brought it up a notch. We're gonna check out Vale in the color Sunlit Blonde. So let's unpack some of these specs and measurements. We'll get into some of the new fiber and cap information here in just a bit. So that front piece is about 7 inches, so it's irregularly cut. That 7-inch piece is more on the right side, okay? So it's a little longer on the right than it is on the left, maybe 3.5 inches there on the left-hand side. And in styling, I will show you how to eliminate that asymmetrical look. We're gonna do a lot in styling. I haven't styled this yet. It's right out of the box, but I just can't wait to see what this little style can do. In the back, it's about 6.5 inches off of the crown area, and that tapers into a 1.5 inch nape. Now I feel like that nape coils up and around the ear and covers up the wig line in a way that should cover up your natural hairline. Of course, you know yourself better than anyone if this 1.5 inch nape is going to be suitable for you. So the weight on this one is about 2.5 ounces. I can't figure out what they're doing differently because it feels so much better in my head, and I have arrived at a conclusion that it's because the cap fits me so much better. When a cap is oversized and you can't get a secure adjustment, you're just always aware of that wig on your head, right? You're worried about it shifting around. With this new cap by Estetica, I feel like it better accommodates my petite average circumference. Inside, look at the cap for Estetica's Vale. Now, right away in the front, you're going to see that monofilament lace part. It goes all the way back to the crown and stretches directly to the front of the wig line here, giving it the illusion that there is a little bit of a mini lace front there. And that parting space runs about 1.5 inches to 2 inches as the mouth of that part lets out into the front. You have a closed ear tab, and look at this, guys. We've been waiting for this, an extended felted nape, and voila, we've got Velcro adjusters, people. This is amazing. Lots of wefting here. This fits me so much better than traditional Estetica with the hook and pocket adjusters. I'm still gonna have to cinch it in even a little more. I feel like this is appropriate for petite average, up to average large. So we do have one trouble area on this. Now you can see that lace part runs from here to here, okay? So it's like a little mini lace front there. But what you're gonna find on this piece is that there's a big glob of heavy knots right there in the front. I am gonna have to pluck that. It's just like it was an accident, like the knotting machine just sort of went crazy right there in that one spot. It looks very dark there and a little bit knotty. It's piecey. That fringe is so piecey. I absolutely love it. And it's not as heavy as, let's say, a Jon Renau. So you're gonna find a lot less permatease on Vale compared to that Jon Renau Ignite. I'll take this all day long. I feel like it is very well done. The density is very natural. The fiber feels beautiful. Let's get into that. This is the heat-friendly fiber. Welcome, Estetica, to the game of heat-friendly fiber. Now, on this particular piece, it's a nice medium denier. I wouldn't say it's as soft and silky as a Belle Tress, but it's not as coarse and velvety and sticky feeling as like a Raquel Welch. So that's kind of where we're at here. Now, a length like this is the perfect length for heat-friendly fiber. It's really not gathering any friction at all. I feel like it would go the distance for you on a style like this. Now, the Sunlit Blonde, I feel like the Sunlit Blonde is way less shiny compared to the Sunlit Blonde on a non-heat-friendly synthetic by Estetica. That's the beauty of heat-friendly. The other thing is that it's so easy to just manipulate and form. Just with the heat of my hand, I can manipulate it. I can use some product on it. And I could use some heat on it if I wanted to, and I have not done that here. It just was so receptive to my hand movement. So Sunlit Blonde, according to what I'm seeing here on this piece, is more of a neutral sandy blonde with some white and some satiny or neutral blonde highlighting. It's not too glaring, definitely not shiny, and then that's on a medium root here. Now they say that's supposed to be a light root. Again, I feel like The camera does emphasize shadows a little bit. I'll give you an outdoor look at this color as well so you can be the judge, but I'm really adoring this color and I feel like it has a little more obvious depth to the color on a heat-friendly fiber as opposed to a non-heat friendly fiber. Want to reiterate that this is right out of the box. I haven't used any product. I haven't used any heat. I just simply shook it out really well to bring air into the layers to set free this movement and just sort of repetitively scooped away from the face on that right side to create a little lift and bring out the layering around the face. Glasses work beautifully between the ear and the ear tab. I had glasses on earlier when I was checking out the specs on this wig. And it fits gorgeous. It is secure, it is comfortable, a great glasses-friendly style. So this is what I can't wait to do. I'm just gonna move this around. You're gonna see how versatile this style is. I'm gonna be your eyes and ears. You're gonna be able to look in and see as if you were touching these fibers and moving them around yourself to inspire you to style your wig, but also to give you a good idea of the movement and the features. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you back here at TAZS Wig Closet.